If your Play Store is stuck on pending on POCO F7, here's what you can do in order to try to fix this issue. So the first thing that we can do is close the Play Store, so we can go to the background apps and just close the app completely. So just simply turn it out, just close it, and then return to it in order to see if that helps. If that doesn't help, another thing that you can do is simply turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. And after that, just turn it back on and see if that helps. If you use just one of these two things, then of course you can just turn off one of them. So for example, if you just use Wi-Fi right now, you can turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi. And the same thing, of course, you can do with mobile data. Also, you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around, if possible, of course, in order to try to solve this issue. Another thing that is worth checking out is the automatic date, time, and time zone. So you want to go to settings, scroll all the way down, open additional settings, go to date and time, and make sure that time is set to automatic, as well as the time zone. You can also just turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, go into that setting, and then enable these options, and then turn back on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, after that, you should be able to go back to the Play Store, and you should be able to download the app that you cannot download, that you couldn't download before. Also, if that doesn't help as well, what you can also do is simply restart the phone. So in order to do that, we need to press the power button and the volume up button. Once you see the power menu, we need to move this white circle towards the reboot option. And after that, give it another try. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.